All right, so here in front of me is a giant Ghirardelli caramel with this pump. Okay, so why am I here? Why are you watching this? I'm assuming you're watching for the same thing that I wanted to know when I bought this for myself. How well does this pump work? Like, it seems like caramel would get all gooped up and yucky in there, might not work so perfectly. There would be caramel dripping out the bottom here. And I have to say, I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and I haven't had to clean it once. As you can see, there is no caramel dripping out there. There's no caramel dripping out the sides, and it is like a perfect pump. So for me, I find for our caramel macchiatos, one pump, I can make all the nice caramel on the side, make the caramel macchiato, and then I can make some cute little caramel art on the top of it. I find it's perfect the way it works. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Surprised me how easy it has been to work with. In any case, I'm gonna give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score and say this is definitely worthwhile if you need this much caramel, and I definitely do.